Hello, one more time, and welcome to English in Pixels, a podcast made for future English speakers. Today, we will continue our journey through the English phonics with the letters S, T, U, and V and their phonics. So let's go. First, we will start with the letter S. The letter S has the S sound. S. We have seen this sound before in the first episode when we saw the soft sound of the letter C. The letter S is a little bit more straightforward. We will find this sound in words such as seal or sink. Next, we have the letter T. The letter T has the T sound. T. And we will find it in words such as tomato. Next, we have the letter U. Now, the letter U is a vowel, and it's a very special one. Today we will only see its short and long sounds. The long sound of the letter U is U, and we will find it in words such as unique. The short sound of the letter U is O. O. And we will find this sound in words such as uncle. Finally, we have the letter V. The letter V has a very distinctive sound. It's a little bit different to the sound of the letter B that we saw in the first episode. This sound is a little bit different in the fact that instead of putting our lips together, we have to put our lower lip against our upper frontal teeth. Okay, V, V, yes, and we will find this sound in words such as valor. Now let's practice with some words. First, we will practice with some words containing the S sound of the letter S. So please repeat after me. Seal. Sun, soap, sock. Excellent. Now let's practice with some words containing the T sound of the letter T. Please repeat after me. Tiger, tank, tent, teacher. Perfect. Now we will practice with some words containing the long and short sound of the letter U. First, the short sound. Please repeat after me. Umbrella, up, uncle, very good. Now, we'll practice with a couple of words containing the long U sound. Please repeat after me. Unit, united, unique, perfect. Finally, let's practice with some words containing the sounds of the letter V. Remember, this sound is a little bit different from the letter B that we saw on the first episode. So please repeat after me. Valor, vine, vein, perfect. Now we will practice with a sentence. Remember, first I will read the sentence at a conversational speed. Then we will divide the sentence in parts. Finally, we will do the back chain drill. So, today's sentence is a seal under the sun. A seal under the sun. A seal under the sun. Please repeat after me. A seal under the sun. Perfect. Now let's organize the sentence from the last word to the first one. Please repeat after me. Sun. The sun. Under the sun. Seal under the sun. A seal under the sun. A seal under the sun. Perfect. With this, we have already completed this episode. Remember that you can listen to this episode as many times as you deem necessary. If you like this episode and you think it was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. If you didn't like what you heard, I thank you for listening this long. I hope to see you in the next episode.